More than 400 migrants from Odisha have been rescued from a brick kiln in Tiruvallur in Tamil Nadu. Many of them are reportedly working as bonded labourers and they were rescued after a tip-off from an NGO. Let me bring in my colleague Pramod, who's joining me live with those updates. Pramod, yet again, we are looking at a similar instance of how bonded labourers, again working in a brick kiln, have been rescued, and they have been rescued after receiving a tip-off from the NGO. That again brings us to the larger question of whether the government is really serious into looking into all of these aspects, because there are numerous such instances that have come to light.
Well, it's a definitely valid question because last week also we reported such a kind of situation from the same district called Tiruvallur, which is actually strewed with a lot of brick kilns, and that's a place where so many issues that involves bonded labor kind of issues are occurring. And time and again we have brought it out, we have informed the government, and even in this case the actual what exactly happened is that an NGO called as NASC took the initiative to actually investigate what was happening in one brick kiln, and post which they got the information, they gave the evidence to the authorities. Only after that the authorities go over there, investigate, and they find out 400 such migrants were from Odisha were working in that place, including children, and any children above the age of 10-year-old were made to work from 12 to 30 hours. What these families have done is that each family probably would have borrowed 20 to 30,000, and for the past 6 months they've been working over there in extremely bad conditions. And when the authorities asked them what should be done, they immediately said that all they wanted to do is go back to their homes, and post which they were brought back to Chennai in 13 buses, rescued, and then sent back to Odisha. Why can't the government preemptively do this? Why can't they go ahead and check these brick kilns on their own? Probably a timely check, probably 3 months, once in 3 months or so, so that they can avoid such kind of inhuman activities. We're not exactly sure, but it seems like
Absolutely.
Every time we have reported such a case, it's only an NGO of some sort who actually investigates and give the information to the government to act.